Welcome to the vibrant heart of Jaipur, the Rajasthan International Centre. A symbol of culture, innovation, and modern architecture, standing tall under the golden sun. This is where our journey begins. We are here to be part of something truly special, the biggest React community event in Rajasthan. A place where tech enthusiasts unite, knowledge flows freely, and the latest innovations in the React ecosystem come alive. From meaningful connections to deep dives into the world of front-end development. It's all happening right here. As we stepped inside, the energy was already building. At the registration desk, the incredible React Rajasthan team welcomed everyone with warmth and precision. Every detail was thoughtfully organized, from ID cards to entrance bands, ensuring a smooth and seamless check-in for all attendees. With registration complete, the atmosphere shifted into something even more lively. Some attendees gathered over a warm cup of tea, engaging in thoughtful conversations, while others took the chance to snap some memorable photos. No matter the medium, be it a camera lens or a casual chat, we were all doing the same thing, building connections, sharing stories, and expanding our tech network one smile at a time. As we made our way toward the auditorium, we couldn't resist stopping by some eye-catching spots set up just for us, vibrant event boards, creative cutouts, and React-themed backdrops that perfectly captured the spirit of the day. Naturally, it turned into a mini photo session. Because what's an event without a few snapshots to remember it by? Then came the moment we'd all been waiting for, stepping into the grand auditorium. A sense of anticipation filled the air as everyone made their way to their seats, ready to soak in the knowledge and inspiration ahead. The lights dimmed, the screens lit up, and just like that, the sessions were about to begin. As we settled into our seats, a quiet buzz of excitement flowed through the room. Conversations hushed, cameras adjusted, and I turned toward the stage. Some scrolled through the event agenda, others exchanged quick smiles with new friends, all of us united by the same thought. Something impactful was about to begin. Soon, our host, Tanishka Gupta, took the stage with grace and energy, setting the perfect tone for the day. Her efforts kept the sessions flowing smoothly and the audience fully engaged. Taking the spotlight with humility and heart, Shubham Gupta, the organizer behind React Rajasthan, welcomed us all. His words carried a sense of purpose as he greeted the attendees, thanked the speakers, and gave a heartfelt shout-out to his dedicated team. It was clear this wasn't just an event, it was a vision brought to life through months of hard work and a deep love for the tech community. One of the most memorable sessions came from Vansh Kapoor, organizer of React Delhi. With a talk titled, "The Framework Might Be Overkill," Vansh brought a refreshing perspective, blending deep technical insights with humor, warmth, and humility. His easygoing nature made the room feel lighter, yet his message left a lasting impact. It was the kind of session that made you think, learn, and laugh all at once. Following that, we had the privilege of hearing from Manjeet Sharma. His session, reacting to the Gen AI shift, was timely, insightful, and deeply relevant. Manjeet spoke with clarity and conviction, breaking down the evolving role of AI in tech and how it intersects with modern development. His calm demeanor and thoughtful delivery made even complex ideas feel approachable. It was more than just a talk. It was a glimpse into the future, guided by experience. Later, Vaibhav Hapani took the stage with a topic every developer could relate to: simplify React app login. With clear explanations and a hands-on approach, Vaibhav made authentication feel far less intimidating. His friendly presence, combined with practical insights, made the session not only informative but genuinely empowering. A perfect blend of simplicity and depth. Bringing a fresh perspective to the stage, Himanshu Pahwa delivered a compelling session titled From Clicks to Conversions: How Tech is Powering Marketing. With poise and clarity, she bridged the gap between technology and marketing, showing how data-driven tools are transforming engagement into results. Her talk was insightful, relatable, and packed with real-world relevance, a true eye-opener for anyone looking to understand the tech behind impactful marketing. Up next was Harshita Chugh, delivering a session every developer needs: effective testing strategies for React apps. With a calm and confident presence, Harshita broke down complex testing concepts into simple, actionable insights. Her talk was packed with clarity, precision, and practical tips that developers could take straight to their projects. After a packed morning of learning and inspiration, it was time for a much-needed lunch break. While most of us enjoyed the delicious food and continued conversations over plates, I found a quiet moment by the window, taking in the beautiful view outside. A perfect pause where nature and knowledge met in harmony. Post-lunch, we were joined by Uma Shankar Arora for a thought-provoking session titled Navigating Dev's Career in the AI Era. With a calm, insightful approach, he spoke about how developers can evolve, adapt, and thrive in the rapidly changing tech landscape shaped by AI. What made it even more inspiring was knowing that beyond the code, Uma is deeply passionate about wildlife. A reminder that great minds often find balance in both technology and nature. His session was not just informative, but truly grounded in perspective. Later, Anil Pilania took the stage with a powerful reminder. You're not just a developer, you're a problem solver. With clarity and conviction, he encouraged us to look beyond the code and recognize the real-world impact of our work. His session wasn't just about writing better programs, it was about thinking bigger, solving smarter, and owning the value we bring to the table. A truly empowering moment that resonated with everyone in the room. After all the sessions, the day moved into a powerful closing segment. A panel discussion that brought fresh perspectives and honest dialogue to the forefront. Led by Shubham Gupta and joined by Dilanwaz Khan, Anubha Jain, and Gaurav Khetrapal, the conversation flowed effortlessly. Each voice added depth, sharing lessons, experiences, and visions for what lies ahead in the tech world. It was the perfect way to wrap up a day filled with inspiration and connection. Before we began winding up, there was one last highlight waiting for us: the swag kits. Co-organizer Kusum Ketu took the lead in distributing them, adding a personal and thoughtful touch to the close of the event. Later in the evening, the vibe completely transformed as we stepped into a celebration of Rajasthan's rich culture. The energy was infectious. Participants hit the floor, dancing to the beats of Rajasthani folk songs, joined by rhythms from other traditional Indian melodies. It was a beautiful blend of culture, joy, and togetherness. A perfect reminder that tech may bring us together, but it's our roots that truly connect us. As the event came to a close, we gathered for a few final photos, capturing smiles, memories, and new friendships before leaving the venue. It was hard to say goodbye, but the energy, the learnings, and the connections we made will stay with us long after. Until next time, goodbye, React Rajasthan. We'd love to hear from you. If you were part of React Rajasthan or just enjoyed watching this journey, drop a comment below and share your experience. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Sharmit for more tech stories, event vlogs, and behind-the-scenes moments from the world of innovation. There's so much more to come, and you won't want to miss it.